hospital, just like any other building, is vulnerable to a natural disaster. So when a hurricane comes in, all of the systems can be impacted. As a hospital, you have so many essential systems to be able to stay functional and to keep up and running.
Will there be interruption of power? Will there be interruption of natural gas, water, sewer?
Obviously, the rooftop units, the exhaust fans, sometimes we've seen a roof just completely peel off, and now you're flooding the hospital.
At Salas O'Brien, we have experience across North America with areas that are plagued by natural disasters and the resiliency that's required with those kind of designs.
We've been in hospitals from Anchorage, Alaska to Miami. We've seen a lot of issues, and we pride ourselves on being problem solvers. We have for a long, long time.
We have to have two sources of power for emergency hospitals. We have to have generator and main utility, but on top of that, we like to have multiple primaries serving our utility in order to have that redundancy needed to get the hospital up and running if something were to happen to one of those utilities.
We have emergency water connections on the outsides of the building so that they can pull up tanker trucks and connect to the building. We've done wells for facilities, high capacity ultrafiltration system. They can continue business as usual.
We've seen the obstacles that maybe were not in place at the time. We take lessons learned and apply that to future design to prepare them better for that instance, to help them get back to service and serving the needs of the community.
We are very passionate about our work. The years of service, the care, the attention to detail, the lived experiences made up of all these different team members. Our team is the team that you need on your healthcare project.